What's up, Ninja Nerds? I'm really excited to tell you guys about a new and free platform that we're going to start using called Discord. I think it's going to be really cool for the Ninja Nerd fam, the Ninja Nerd community. That's one of the things I love about you Ninja Nerds, is that you guys are so awesome and you guys are always willing to help one another. And I think that this is the perfect platform for this. So what Discord is it's going to be this, this platform that allows for Ninja Nerds who are all across the globe to communicate with one another, whatever it may be. Maybe it's on a topic that we have on our YouTube playlist and you guys have some questions and maybe we just didn't have a chance to answer those questions. You and other people, other Ninja Nerd fans can actually go in and answer those questions, maybe give you notes, maybe give you some tips. And I think that's going to help enhance their learning experience as well as yours as well. Other things that I think is going to be really cool about this is that maybe you have some questions. Maybe you guys are in PA school, med school, nursing school, and you have some questions about upcoming topics or rotations, whatever it may be, and someone else on that platform has already gone through that. They can maybe give you advice, maybe give you some guidance that will enhance your experience there as well. And lastly, one of the things that we're also really excited for is doing like live Q&As. Maybe on a topic that I just want to go in and talk to you guys about and ask you guys questions about. I think that's going to be really cool. So please go check out that Discord app, download it, and let's get there, guys, and let's communicate. Let's build this family up. All right, Ninja Nerds, love you, thank you, and as always, until next time.